So why are these like all oversized?
Oh, this one, look.
Why you look at me, you son of a b****?
Okay, so I'm recording right now.
Hey, Caleb, can this go?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah. So you can also just slow it down after.
That's true too.
So any of those like features never impressed me.
You're right.
When you come, when you feeling low, running up a check just to help you cope. I just wanna live in the moment.
Oh.
Wait, you still have it out when you open? Huh? No, stop.
Stop. Blow it in your chest. Chest.
Oh look.
I am not.
Oh, you could do that with that song. I'm a cow. No.
You're stupid.
You hear this song?
Wait. When should we go to Target? 'Cause that's it. I feel like that's the best we got. Some of these are like just plain ugly now.
No, that's the whole point. We're supposed to get an ugly one.
No, but you always want it to be like funny. This isn't bad.
I see that you. I would wear that.
It's a lot. And it lights up. So why are these like all oversized?
Oh, this one, look.
Why you look at me, you son of a b****?
Caleb.
Why are these all oversized? And then he looks at me dead.
So I was looking for the correct word. I didn't want to say like. I'm just gonna stop talking.
Weird with this thing strapped in and shit.
I'm about to scoop that out right now.
Like, Walmart people, that's who.
What?
I said Walmart.
He said something racist. Or Emperor Ming. Oh, that was weird. Nah, we gotta edit that out. Excuse me, sir. Sir, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir.
Perfect.
Hey, quit your shit.
Oh!
Talk about it in the video.
That's exactly what I'm saying. Should we talk about food? Hold up, I'm trying to get a fabulous picture. Wait, I didn't get enough of you. Caleb, stop posing.
You saying it to me? Oh my goodness.
Buy it.
Well, I'll text Eddie. I'll see if he's willing to. What weekend is it? Oh, okay. Oh.
Bam.
You put it on right here?
Yeah, what's up?
My friend Annie says hi to both of you.
Hey. Oh, she's the one who made the
Oh,
pastry?
Oh yeah. So Annie, Sebastian remembers you as the dude who makes.
Well, not
the
a
bomb.
dude, but
I mean, I'm sorry. As the chick who made the bomb. What's it called?
the Rice Krispies, but with
Yeah.
like instead of Rice Krispies, she used cinnamon
Crunch.
toast.
You like it?
That's not like I like it enough to get a full suit. It's still beeping, so it's still recording.
But it's off though on the screen.
It's okay. It shuts off so that it like
Conserves power.
yeah, it conserves power.
Don't
Can I
talk
wear
to
this
it.
out of the store?
Yeah, if you buy it.
Okay,
Yeah.
I'll do it. I'll leave it right here.
Buy it over there. Hey, Brent.
Hey, Sebastian, how you doing?
I'm doing alright, you?
Good, just working.
Dope.
See,
Dude, no.
You've been around, huh?
I've been around like, oh.
There we go. Oh, hey. What do you have to do?
I'm gonna go change and then I'll come back out and talk to you guys.
Okay, cool. See ya.
I forget that I have this shit on.
She's like, what the heck is going on? Wait, you can't buy our water. Orsini is tap water. Allegedly. You're good. Take your time. Yeah, I'm gonna grab one of these.
I never had one.
Okay, hi, how you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you? I believe I can take it off, but can you scan it? Wait, do you have my water? I lost my water bottle somewhere along the way.
You brought it with you to leave in the car?
Yeah.
So we are done? I can go here.
Yes.
You put that on.
Do you guys have a lost and found?
Okay, what kind of water bottle are you looking for?
It's a canister.
That's right. Still?
No.
Oh wait, that's live. This is live. Wait, look at this.
That cheered me out for a
Is
second.
it?
Yeah. That cheered me out for a second. I was like, what the
Oh. Wait, what is that?
Dude, but it feels good taking it off.
Wait. Oh! Oh!